Welcome to IGBO History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Today we are going to talk about the history and origin of Ngwa, the largest Igbo subgroup. The Ngwa people represent one of the largest Igbo tribes in terms of landmass and population. Yet, the mysteries of their origin remain shrouded in the absence of written records. Ngwa history is largely oral, passed down through generations, often embellished and exaggerated. To unravel the origins of the Ngwa, one must sift through cultural and religious clues. They are a unique clan born from the fusion of two distinct ethnic groups, which is a common thread among southern Igbo communities. The southern Igbo homeland can be traced to the region between the Ukwane, Oru clans, Owa, Ebema, and Ohaji, where their ancestors began their eastward expansion into Abaja and Isu areas. While some suggest that the Ngwa people migrated from the western banks of the Imo River, others propose a southerly route that crossed the river to populate Mbise. Regardless, the Ngwa history is intricately connected with that of Mbise, with scholars referring to them as Ngwa Ohoho, where Ohoho represent those who remain on the western bank of the Imo River. Speculation about their origin varies. Some claim they came from Umunnoha, but this theory is met with skepticism due to the size of Umunnoha and the lack of cultural and linguistic similarities with the Isu people nearby. One prevailing oral tradition speaks of Ngwa, a tribal leader, and his brothers Savosi and Ngwa. The tale includes a yam roasting incident where one group crossed the Imo River quickly, earning them the name Ngwa, meaning quickly. The others who stayed behind became the Ohoho or roasters in English. This story, however, raises questions about the Imo River's nature and tides, making it more of a metaphorical narrative than a literal account. Despite the uncertainties surrounding their origin, the Ngwa people have cultural and linguistic ties with neighboring regions like Ohaji, Ebema, Ikwere, Echie, and more. They share similarities in speech patterns, vocabulary, and a warrior spirit. In Ngwa cosmology, the land holds paramount significance, with Allah as the primary deity. The establishment of the Okwala Ngwa shrine marked the heart of Ngwa land. Ngwa's expansions across the Imo River was rapid, leading to interactions with the Anang people. Ngwa eventually assimilated the Anang, who inhabited areas like Aba and Ogunabo. It is important to note that Ngwa migrations across the river occurred in independent waves, resulting in diverse village groups within Ngwa, some of which do not intermarry. Ngwa holds a special place as the eldest Ngwa clan. Like other southern Igbo groups, Ngwa has unique characteristics such as 8 market days, a preference for Okazi, and a lack of institutionalized title-taking positions. Their governance is organized around clans led by warlords, and village-level governments maintain law and order. Intriguingly, the Ngwa have a unique institution of concubinage known as Iko. The Ngwa culture is rich with traditions including dances like Untold, Ekere Afu, and IGBO.